Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn 4 and 5 times tables. Then we will practice some multiplication on the Soroban. Are you ready? Let's start. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Next 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50. Now let's practice on the Soroban. 4 times 6, 24, right? Next 4 4s are 16, 10, 5, 6. Next 4 2s are 8, 5 6 7 8. 4 8s are 32, 10 20 32. 4 5s are 20. Answer is 10 20. 4 9s are 36, 10 20 35 6. 36. Now 5 7s are 35, 10 20 35. 5 5s are 25, right? 10 25. 5 6s are 30, yes. 5 9s are 45, 10 20 30 45. 5 8s are 40, 10 20 30 40. 5 3s are 15, right? See how easy that was. Practice more at home. See you soon. Bye bye.